Hey guys, welcome back. And in this session, we'll talk about COBOL like statement. So let's get started. The like statement allows the attributes of a data item to be defined by copying them from a previously defined data item. And there are two important attributes which are copied. The first one is picture clause and the second one is usage clause. And this is copied from the previously defined data item. Additionally, like clause can be used to define numeric, alphanumeric, and alphabetic data items. The compiler generates a comment to identify the characteristics of the new fields. These comments appear after the statement containing the like clause. And the last important point is you can very well modify the length. That means you can increase or decrease the length of new data items. Also, you can use like clause with the signed fields. Now let's talk about the syntax of like statement. So the syntax is pretty simple and straightforward. So first one is a level number. After that you have data item 2. Then you have like keyword. After that you have data item 1. So data item 1 is a previous one and data item 2 is a new field that you are defining. Now let's talk about an example. So in the following example, we have working storage section and we have a field called ws-emp-id, which is right now defined as pick 9 of 06, right? So that means numeric and the length is 6. After that, I've specified a new variable that is ws-employee-number. After that, I've used like keyword and thereafter I've specified ws-emp-id. So this is the field from where I'm going to copy the attributes. So if you notice, you'll have a picture clause as 9 of 6. And similarly, I've defined a new variable that is ws-salary followed by like keyword, and thereafter I've specified the previously defined field name that is ws-emp-id, and in bracket I've specified +2. So +2 means that it will increment the length by 2. So the value of or the length of ws-salary is 9 of 8, and if you notice, there's a comment that says picture is 9 of 8. Then we have next variable that is ws-first name, and it is defined as pick x of 20, that is alphanumeric, and it will going to hold the first name of an employee. So to define a similar variable that will hold last name, I've defined a variable that is ws-last name, and I've again used the keyword like followed by ws-first name. And if you notice the comment, it says picture clause is x of 20. So this is how you can use like statement to define variables in your COBOL program. So far, if you have any question, then do let me know. Otherwise, let's move on to our next lecture.